Thanks for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. The dry spell has reached 25 days. That's why we've had the high fire danger. Now, today we'll have less wind, and that's going to help out. Sunday we'll have a little more humidity and not that much wind. That'll help. And then maybe we'll get some rain. Let's take a look at Weather Track Radar. There's a couple storm systems. One in Missouri, one that has been making all the news there in Southern California. The one in Missouri brought rain to Cape Girardeau to near St. Louis, but it's staying east of here, and we are going to have just plenty of sunshine through the day. The storm in California, that will approach us tomorrow and Monday and weaken, but should hold together long enough to give us some rain. So let's take a look right now at our situation today. Near perfect, 70 to 75 degrees, right along a little stalled front. No real moisture with this front, but it's going to keep the winds down. Oh my gosh, is it going to be beautiful today. And then tonight, that front washes out. We go into a south wind, and clouds will begin to increase from the south, so will the Gulf of Mexico moisture. So tomorrow morning, somewhat cloudy, and through the day we'll have a lot of clouds tomorrow. Still should make it close to 70. Now, if the clouds really hold tough and stay thick, it'll be in the 60s, but regardless, still a very nice day of weather. And then we turn our attention to the rain. Here comes the California storm. By 4 in the morning Monday, a nice little band of rain. But guess what? By morning rush hour on Monday, it's gone. It doesn't last very long, maybe an hour or two, so it traced to 1/4 of an inch of rain. We need a lot more, but we'll take what we can get. It should end the dry spell, and it'll help temporarily put a lid on the fire danger. And as we look at the storm, look what's happened to the California storm. So many storms as they've approached this weekend. And look at that. It's just now a long, thin line of clouds and some rain showers. Even raining in Canada in February. That is crazy. Now, there's another storm approaching California, and by Thursday, that'll be moving through the Rockies, and that could bring us our next chance of rain. And out ahead of it, it's going to stay warm. Behind it, the door will open to some colder air as a ridge begins to build in the Gulf of Alaska. This ridge, what it does is the cold air will build and develop, and any existing cold air will be allowed to be brought down as we have a flow coming in from the north. So, beginning at the end of this week, and the first week to 10 days of March, we're going to have shots of colder weather. There's that storm system on Thursday approaching. There's another one in the Pacific. There's 2 or 3 more, or 2 or 3 or 4 systems total. So storm systems, colder air, February, early March, yes, there's still a chance or two of snow, so we'll be keeping an eye on that. No snow today, hardly any clouds. 65 at noon, 73 at 4 p.m., absolutely beautiful weather. This evening, if you're headed out, temperatures falling into the 50s, and not much wind as opposed to the last couple of days. And then as we look at the 7-day forecast, 70 tomorrow, 71 on Monday, still a lot of clouds around. They made that morning shower. 73 Tuesday, 75 Wednesday. Then things begin to change towards the end of next week. That storm moves in, colder weather moves in. It's a reality check. Winter's not quite over yet. Have a great weekend and enjoy this beautiful weather.